Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to enable the call recording option on iPhone. Now, this is actually one of the newer features that's actually recently come out, but you can essentially record a conversation with a friend or maybe somebody you don't like. But quick disclaimer, when you actually enable this option, if you're trying to sneakily record somebody's conversation that you're having with them, it won't actually work because it'll actually tell them that you are recording the call. So I'm just trying to, save you guys. All right. If you're sneakingly trying to record a conversation, it won't actually know. It will acknowledge that the call is being recorded on the other person's end by doing like an AI generated voice and all of that. But anyways, you don't probably want to hear all of this, but you're going to want to head over to the settings and then go on the top where it says search and then search up call recording, click it. And then when you do, it's going to say call recording option right here. Now, all you have to do is usually going to be disabled, but just go ahead and click enable, and that'll go on ahead and enable the option for you to actually record a conversation during a call. All right. And basically what it does as well is it actually transcribes into your notes app. So if you're trying to save the call or whatever, and you're trying to, get like maybe a translation or a transcribe, it'll actually give you like captions and stuff in a notes, a brand new notes, whatever they call those. All right, but basically, in the notes app, it'll just give you the whole entire recording and everything. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below if I helped you out tons. With that said, you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you all for the next one.